today I'm joining in a challenge hosted by my new friend, Clueless Mama D. I will link her channel down below. I will also link the playlist as soon as there is one available for this challenge. I am so excited to participate in this challenge, and I have been so pleased to meet and interact with Clueless Mama D. Let me tell you, she has a personality that is over the top, and I absolutely love it. I love our little interactions that we've had, and I look forward to many more. So if you'd like to check her channel out, make sure you click that link down below in my description box. Clueless Mama D is a mother of two, and she is always on a mission to save time to spend with her family. So she's issued a challenge to participate in something she does, and that's in creating meals in 15 minutes to enjoy with her family. In our household, I don't have any children living here at the moment. My daughter will be home from college probably in another month or two, but I don't know how long that will last. We'll see. And both of our children are adults, so I only pretty much cook for my husband and myself unless we have guests. But I am one of those people that loves to cook, but I like to cook when I want to cook. I also like to cook what I want to cook, if that makes any sense. I am actually a vegan, but I have been dabbling a little bit with seafood because my protein levels just aren't where they need to be. So today I am going to be using shrimp in the recipe. If you're allergic to shrimp, you can substitute it with chicken. But before we get started with the whole process, I'm going to set a timer before I start it. And I'd like for you to click the subscribe link down below, leave a thumbs up if you like today's video. And also feel free to share this video and leave any comments with questions, suggestions, ideas, or just compliments down in the comment section below as well. Thanks so much for tuning in. And if I finish within the 15-minute allotted time, I am going to try a dessert. We'll see. I don't know if that's going to work out, but hey, I figure why not try it? Let's get started. Before I set the timer, I'm going to go over the ingredients with you and also the equipment. I have some fresh garlic, a cooking onion, salt, turmeric, a whole lemon, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and pine nuts, and I also have some spaghetti noodles. For the equipment, I'm just using my knife. This is a chef's knife, a spatula. I'm using this grater, a microplane grater, and I have a pot for cooking my pasta and my skillet that you can see below. It's a non-stick skillet, so it makes it a lot easier and it makes cleanup easier. what I've come up with for our 15-minute meal. I made some pesto pasta with shrimp and Parmesan cheese, along with pine nuts, garlic breadsticks. These were store-bought. I just heated them up in the oven. Just some white wine. And I also made a dessert of a yogurt parfait with plain yogurt enhanced with honey and some chopped strawberries. Sometimes my husband likes these, sometimes he doesn't. If he wants one tonight, I've already chopped the strawberries. All I have to do is mix it together for him. I hope you'd like to try this recipe. I'll link it down in the description box below. It's not baking, so it's not a complete science on this one, but I will link all of the items that I used down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.